Welcome to La Trobe. This video will show you how to enrol in your course if you're an international student. First, go to latrobe.edu.au. From La Trobe's homepage, click La Trobe Students and then Student Online. You'll use Student Online to manage your enrolment during your time at La Trobe. Log into Student Online using your La Trobe student username and your password. If you need to reset your password, you can use the password reset tool on our website or contact IT support for help. If this is your first time enrolling in the course, you'll need to complete some personal details before you can see your study plan. Once you're logged into Student Online, click Enrolment. If you have more than one course listed, click on your current course to go to its study plan. First, you'll need to read and agree to La Trobe's terms and conditions, as well as the Charter of Student Rights and Responsibilities. It's tempting to skip over these, but they're worth reading because you'll be held to these conditions during your time at La Trobe. Next, check and confirm your citizenship and residency details. If these details are correct, click Confirm. If something is wrong, request a modification by clicking this button and then asking a question through the portal on our website. Make sure you include your student number, student email address, and any relevant documents. Confirm or update your cultural details. You can update these if you need to, or if all is correct, just click Confirm. Next, confirm or update your parent or guardian educational details. The government asks us to collect this information for statistical purposes. You can click Confirm, or to update them, answer the questions according to your situation. Then save your changes, return to the overview, and then return to your study plan. You'll also need to confirm or update your disability details. If you want to, you can tell us if you have a disability or long-term medical condition. We have a lot of support to offer our students, including adaptive technology and adjustments to allow greater flexibility around completing assignments. If you've updated your details, click Save, then Close, then return to study plan. You can get in contact with our disability advisors for more information on how we can help. To be able to enrol, you'll need to enter your semester or term address. Your semester or term address is where you live during your studies. It may be the same as your home address, or it may be different. If your semester or term address is the same as an address that's already listed, click Edit next to your existing address, then go to the section below your address and tick the Copy to Semester Term Address box, then click Save and then Close to go back to the address list. If your semester or term address is different to your listed addresses, click Add New. If you enter a new address, it will be validated by the system to make sure it matches Australia Post records. If you live in student accommodation or overseas, the system might not be able to validate your address. If this happens, you can let the system correct your address, or you can tick the box to use the address you've entered. But please carefully check the details are correct. And now, when you click on your course study plan, you'll be able to see your course structure and subjects, so you're almost ready to enrol. But first, you need to check your subjects in your course handbook. Let's have a look at this example course. From La Trobe student homepage, click Your Course and then University Handbook. Then search for your course. In this course, all the subjects are listed for each semester and year level. You can tell what year a subject is from the number in the middle of the subject code, so a first year subject will have a 1 in the middle. So in your study plan in Student Online, you'll just be enrolling into the core subjects listed for the year level you're studying at. Some courses have space for a major or minor, so let's look at this other example course. You can see the core compulsory subjects listed for each year, but there's also room to choose a major, minor, or elective. Available majors for your course are listed in the handbook. Your chosen major will be a large area of specialisation in your degree, and a minor is a smaller focus or specialisation. When you've chosen your major or minor, you'll need to add it to your study plan in Student Online. At the top of your study plan, click Expand All to see all your subject lines. Find the line for your chosen major or minor and click the Choose button on the right-hand side. When you've found your chosen major or minor, select Add to Study Plan, and then press Save Changes to Study Plan. Now the subjects in your major or minor will appear on your study plan, ready for you to enrol into. Elective subjects give you variety across different study areas without specialising. If you have an option for elective subjects, you can first search for subjects you want to take by using the Subject Search database. You can change the options to show only subjects without prerequisites or with credit points of 15. You can also change the location, school and year level. Please note that the Bundoora campus is called Melbourne in the subject search. You can also change the teaching period to search for the one that you need. When you've chosen an elective subject you want to study, you'll need to add it to your study plan in Student Online. Find the relevant elective line for the year level you want and then click the Choose button on the right-hand side. Type in the subject code for the elective subject you've chosen, click Search, and then Add to Study Planner when you found the correct subject. Then click Save Changes on Study Planner to make sure it's saved. Note that the Choose button will say Change if you've already selected a subject. You can click on this if you want to change that subject again. Now your study plan is set up with your subjects, you need to enrol into them, but only for the current year, not your entire course. If a subject is running in more than one teaching period, select the one you want to study it in. Tick the box to the right of the screen for each subject you will be completing this year. When you've ticked boxes for all the subjects you need to enrol in, click the blue Enrol button at the bottom of the screen. Then review the selected subjects in your potential enrolment list and select the Confirm Enrolment button. Or if you need to change something before you enrol, click Go Back and try again. After you've confirmed your enrolment, check your enrolled subjects by clicking on the Current Enrolment tab to make sure that you're fully enrolled. A normal full-time load is 60 credit points in a standard semester, which is usually 4 subjects worth 15 credit points each. If something's missing, you can go back to your study plan and repeat the same process again to add a subject. If you made a mistake and need to withdraw from a subject, click Withdraw and then select the subject you want to withdraw from. Click Withdraw again and then Confirm. All students also need to enrol into the Academic Integrity and Wominjeka modules. These are compulsory online modules for all students, but they are ungraded, just pass or fail. They don't have credit points and they don't cost anything. You should enrol into these now and complete them in your first semester. Once you've enrolled, they will show up as online subjects in your LMS or Learning Management System and only take an hour to complete. Sometimes a subject won't let you tick the box on the right-hand side to enrol. There could be a few reasons for this. Make sure the options in the 3 drop boxes above your study plan are set to All Years, All Study Periods and All Locations, and then click Search. Then check your subject again. If this doesn't fix the problem, there could be some other issues, like if you haven't completed a prerequisite subject. Please see our FAQs on the website for more enrolment help. You can navigate there from the student homepage and then search for enrolment in the search bar. Now you've completed your enrolment for the current year and your place in the course is confirmed. You can still make changes to your enrolment until just after teaching starts, but if you leave it that late, you'll miss the start of your new classes and have to catch up on the work. If you need more help with your enrolment, just get in touch with our friendly Ask La Trobe team.